5 proven ways to make money online today. Hey there, Instagram fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share 5 amazing ways you can start making money online right now. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. With freelancing, you can offer your skills and services to clients all around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a freelancing platform for you. Tip 1. Choose a freelancing platform that aligns with your skills and interests. Tip 2. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. Tip 3. Deliver high-quality work and provide excellent customer service. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products or services you love. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Tip 1. Choose products or services that resonate with your audience. Tip 2. Create engaging content highlighting the benefits and features. Tip 3. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain trust. Scene 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Now, let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping. This method allows you to sell products online without the need for inventory or shipping logistics. It's an excellent way to start your own online store. Tip 1. Identify trending or niche products with high demand. Tip 2. Build an appealing online store using platforms like Shopify. Tip 3. Utilize social media and influencer partnerships for marketing. Scene 4. Online courses and digital products. Another lucrative option is creating online courses or digital products. Share your knowledge and expertise with others who are eager to learn. It's a fulfilling way to monetize your skills. Tip 1. Identify a topic or skill you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Tip 2. Structure your course or product with clear learning outcomes. Tip 3. Leverage platforms like Udemy or Teachable to reach a wider audience. Scene 5. YouTube and content creation. Last but not least, we have YouTube and content creation. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and build a loyal audience. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ads, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. Tip 1. Identify your niche and target audience for focused content. Tip 2. Invest in quality equipment to improve video and audio production. Tip 3. Engage with your audience and consistently upload valuable content. And there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money online today. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, keep hustling.